Hello everyone, welcome to Ibrahim World, and today in this video I am going to make a temperature and humidity measuring device using an ESP32-S3 N16R8, 3 jumper wires, a DHT22 humidity and temperature measuring sensor, a USB-C cable to program the ESP32, and as always, a PC. Let's get started in 3, 2, 1. So guys, as you can see, the ESP32 is taking the data from this DHT sensor and sending it through this wire into the computer and onto the serial monitor. I will show you in a minute. So why does it take 2 seconds for the humidity sensor to send data to the ESP32? Reason is because there is a little computer inside this sensor. You might not see it because it's covered in this plastic mold thing. So if we change the code to do it at least 1 second or any value less than 2 seconds, the data would be corrupted and the ESP32 will say an error: this sensor is not found, cannot get data, or any other error you can think of. So 2 seconds or more, not less. Now let me show you the serial monitor. So guys, as you can see, right now the temperature coming from the sensor is 36.4 degrees Celsius or 97.52 degrees Fahrenheit, and the humidity 47.90 or 80%. So if we take the sensor right here and I blow on it like you can see the temperature is decreasing a bit and the humidity just increased a lot. This is because of my body temperature and I am actually shooting warm and humid air. See, the temperature increased. Look at that, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure to like, subscribe and follow me on Instagram. The link is in the description below. The code will also be in the bio. Bye. Thank you for watching.